guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oby. If you're new to my channel or just visiting me for the first time and you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that button. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber and you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're up to date when I post new videos. Now guys, this video is about product versus product. What two products exactly? I'm going to be testing out the Bite Agave Mask against the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. So again, against the Bite, okay? I want to see if this particular lip balm can live up to basically my holy grail for 2018, which is the Bite Agave Lip Mask. So I'm going to be testing out this product against a few other lip balms just to see how they compare, but this is the first one on the list, so let's go ahead and check out how the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm measures up to the Bite, okay, Agave Lip Mask. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I already know how this product works, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this one and then give you guys my feedback. I haven't used it before, just so that you know that I'm being fair. It's completely new. I haven't used it at all, so I'm going to go ahead and just sort of get a good amount. Okay guys, so here is the Fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. So I just want you guys to see that up close, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my palm there so that you get an idea of sort of the consistency of the caramel. It's kind of very light. There's really no tint to it, despite the color in the jar. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my other hand. Maybe you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But yeah, basically it's not as thick as the agave, which I'll show you all in a little bit, but you get the sense that you know, it's just really more of a nude tint, despite again what's in the jar. And it's not too thick, but it has a thick consistency to it, or a thicker consistency to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the Bite so I can show you guys also what that looks like. Okay guys, so here is the Bite Agave Lip Mask. As I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and open it up just so that you guys see the consistency and also the color. It has a yellow color to it, but it's actually quite nude. But it comes out very thick, as you can see. It takes a lot of energy to squeeze it out of the tube. I'm just going to go ahead and sort of, again, wipe that also into my thumb area so you can see. It is a very thick lip mask, and yeah, I really love this. This is really a great lip mask, very nourishing to your lips, and as you can see, it's a lot more thicker than the Fresh Caramel Sugar Hydrating Lip Balm. So just wanted to show you guys that up close so you get a better idea of both products. Rub that on. It feels really good. As you guys know, in a previous video I talked about how, you know, when I sort of even wash my face, the first thing I grab after washing my face is usually some sort of lip balm for my lips, because they get super dry. My lips are just prone to getting very dry, and then they start cracking and chapping. I don't want that. But I will admit that this is not as thick as this, the Fresh Sugar Lip Hydrating Balm, Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. But it is very nourishing. It feels really good. I am curious about how long it will last. The Bite Agave Lip Mask tends to sort of have a long wear time, and I feel like the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm feels thicker than some of the other just regular, you know, sort of like lip balms, or even something like a Carmex. So I do believe that it'll have a long wear time. But in terms of what I already know about the Bite Agave, it's still top choice. This would be number 2 so far. And again, as I mentioned, I do have a few other lip balms that I will be basically testing out against the Bite Agave Lip Mask. This was just a really quick video just to talk about, you know, new lip products that I've gotten in. So if you're looking for something to incorporate into your 2018 routine, try this and or try that. I don't know what the price points are off the top of my head, but I'll go ahead and link that in the description box below. And if one turns out to be a little cheaper than the other, this is about 20 something bucks. I don't remember how much this was, and I don't know that I paid for this. I think it came in one of those sample bags, but and I don't know if this is the size that it would come in. But again, I will link both of these once I get that information in the description box below, so that you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Again, this is still my preferred product, but this is also very good as well. Feels really soft and it smells amazing. So guys, I hope you guys found this video useful, and of course don't forget to drop me a comment down below if you know of any other lip balms or things like that that I should try out, please, that are comparable to, I would say, really the Bite. Make sure you drop me that in the comment box below. If you've had a different experience or you prefer one over the other, let me know what you think. Drop me that in the comment box below. Don't forget to comment, of course. Don't forget to like the video, and of course subscribe again, so that you're up to date when I post new content. Okay guys, until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.